So you guys clicked on this video because you want to see what's inside of an 18650. I've got a few that are dead. Hopefully we don't blow ourselves up. Let's see what's inside. Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and today we're going to find out what's inside an 18650 battery. Now I've got one over on the workbench that I started peeling the top of it off already, because I assumed this battery right here, if you look, see how it's got that extra lip right in there? You would think that that would come off somehow, but it doesn't. And I'm going to show you what that looks like real quick. Let's go to the workbench. Alright, so here we are on the workbench, and if you look, you can see right in there where I started. I grabbed some pliers and pulled the top of that, and it's all one piece. It's kind of hard to tell because it's a little bit mangled, but it's just crushed in and then rolled back on itself. That's how that is. The top of it is just crushed in and rolled on itself. And I don't think getting that to come apart is going to be super easy. But I do have an idea. So the idea I've got today is right here. We're going to try this, and we're going to start at the bottom and try and open the bottom on one. And if we have to, we're going to go and try and open the top on one. You know what? I think we're going to go the other way around. We're going to try and open the top on one first. That one. Let's put it in the clamp so it doesn't move anywhere, and hopefully get the top off this thing. And before I go too far into this, I don't think it needs to be said, but you know what the hey. Don't do this at home. I'm what some people would call a professional. Not very tight into the clamp or the vise here. Just enough to kind of keep it from moving. Trying not to crush or squish real bad. We've got our little pipe cutter here. Put that on there. We're going to try and go just below. You guys can see there. Let's try and zoom it in just a hair. The cutting blade is right there, and we are just under by approximately 1/8 of an inch from that roll on top of it. We're going to try and get that. We need to take that down just a hair. There we go. We'll take it down to about there. That way this lip up here is rolling on the top of it. And something isn't square because this thing, I don't know if you can see or not. See how it's starting to make grooves that are just going down? It's threading it instead of cutting it for some reason. Alright, I think we've successfully cut through that outer layer. Set that down out of the way. Grab our pliers here. And see if we can grab that top and just kind of twist it out. That outer layer. It's definitely loose. It will spin and slowly lift. There we go. You can see inside where that tab was. It does smell kind of chemically. And I think we've actually cut not only through, that'll focus, not only through the outer layer, but if you look, there's a few layers of the actual coil that apparently we cut into as well. We've got our outer edge cut off. Let's bring that camera in a little bit closer. And there it is. You can kind of see the layers where the coil starts and it runs around itself. And has the tab on top. There we go, we switched it to manual focus, so hopefully this thing will stay clearer for you. You can kind of see those layers. Looks like rings in a tree or something. And that's what you can see. I cut some of those rings whenever I was trying to cut that outer shell. Now, I'm not a chemist, so as far as what actually makes up the different elements inside this battery, I'm not the guy for that. But from a physical composition, it's basically just a coil inside of a metal housing. It's not super complicated. It's kind of neat to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know that I did, getting to see what was inside. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching, thanks for hanging out, and I will see you next time.